Good morning, ma'am. My name is Manju, MSc Math Honors 5-year integrated. Roll number 5516. My presentation topic is M. Riaz theorem. Theorem: if U belongs to HP for some P lies between 1 to infinity, then its harmonic conjugate V is also of class HP. Furthermore, there is a constant AP depending only on P such that MPRV less than equal to AP MPRU. R lies between 0 to 1. Equation number first. For all U belongs to HP. Proof. First, let us observe that only the case P lie between 1 to 2 needs to be considered. Indeed, if the theorem hold for some index P lie between 1 to infinity, then it is also true for the conjugate index Q, defined by 1 by P plus 1 by Q is equal to 1, and in fact with AQ is equal to AP. To show this, let G of Z is equal to G of R e iota theta is equal to A naught plus summation n from 1 to capital N. Rn into an cos n theta plus bn sin n theta. Be an arbitrary harmonic polynomial, and let h of z is equal to summation n from 1 to capital N. Rn into minus bn cos n theta plus an sin n theta. Be the conjugate function normalized by h of 0 is equal to 0. Thus, g of z plus iota h of z is an ordinary algebraic polynomial, and for fixed rho lie between 0 to 1, the function f of z is equal to u of rho z plus iota v rho z into g of z plus iota h of z is analytic in mod z less than equal to 1. The mean value theorem applies to f of z gives integration 0 to 2 pi u of rho e iota theta h rho of e iota theta plus v of rho e iota theta g of e iota theta d theta is equal to 2 pi u of 0 h of 0 plus v of 0 g of 0 is equal to 0. Assuming the theorem has been proved for the index p, it follows that mod 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi v of rho e iota theta g of e iota theta d theta is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration of 0 to 2 pi u of rho e iota theta h of e iota theta d theta less than equal to mod hp mq of rho u less than equal to ap mod gp mq rho u. Now take the supremum of mod 1 by 2 pi integration Vg over all g with norm of Gp less than equal to 1, and use the fact that trigonometric polynomial are dashed in LP. The result is mq of rho v less than equal to ap mq of rho u. Thus we may assume p lie between 1 to 2. The next step is to apply Green theorem in the form r integration 0 to 2 pi curly phi by curly r d theta is equal to double integration del square phi dx dy, where del square denote the Laplacian. We suppose for the moment that u of z greater than 0 and compute del square up is equal to p of p minus 1 mod f dash का square u power p minus 2 del square of mod f power p is equal to p square mod f dash square mod power p minus 2. Hence del square mod f power p less than equal to p by p minus 1 del square u power p. By Green theorem, then d by dr integration 0 to 2 pi mod f of r e iota theta power p d theta less than equal to p by p minus 1 into d by dr integration 0 to 2 pi mod u of r e iota theta power p d theta, integrating from 0 to 2r and recalling that v of 0 is equal to 0. We find integration of 0 to 2 pi mod f of r e iota theta power p d theta minus 2 pi of u of 0 power p less than equal to p by p minus 1. Integration of 0 to 2 pi mod u of r e iota theta power p d theta minus 2 pi of u of 0 power p. Thus mpr of v less than equal to mpr of f less than equal to p of p by p minus 1 power 1 by p mp of ru. If u of z greater than 0, for journal v belongs to h power p, fix r less than 1 and set u1 of theta is equal to mx u of r e iota theta 0. u2 of theta is equal to maximum of minus u r e iota theta 0. Then u of r e iota theta is equal to u1 of theta minus u2 of theta. Mod u of r e iota theta power p is equal to mod u1 of theta power p plus mod u2 of theta power p. Question number 2. For rho lie between 0 to 1, define uj of rho e iota theta is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi p of rho theta minus t uj of t dt. J is equal to 1 2. Equation number 3. Let Vj be the harmonic conjugate of uj, then u of rho r e iota theta is equal to u1 of rho e iota theta minus u2 of rho e iota theta. V of rho r e iota theta is equal to v1 of rho e iota theta minus v2 of rho e iota theta. Since u1 and u2 are positive harmonic function, it follows from integration of 0 to 2 pi mod v of rho r e iota theta power r d theta less than equal to 2 power p integration of 0 to 2 pi mod v1 of rho e iota theta power p d theta plus integration of 0 to 2 pi mod v2 of rho e iota theta power p d theta less than equal to 2 power p upon p minus 1 integration of 0 to 2 pi mod u1 of rho e iota theta power p d theta plus integration of 0 to 2 pi u2 of rho e iota theta power p d theta. Let rho tends to 1 and using relation 4th and 5th, 1 now obtain third with ap is equal to 2 of p by p minus 1 by p. The factor second can be removed by a more refined argument. As pointed, Riaz theorem breaks down for p is equal to 1. The Poisson kernel p of r theta belongs to h power 1, but its analytical completion 1 plus z upon 1 minus z does not belongs to h power 1. The next two sections will be concerned with weaker theorem, which may be said to replace Riaz theorem in the case p is equal to 1. Let us note that Riaz theorem also fail in the case p is equal to infinity. Consider the example: the function f of z is equal to u of z plus iota v of z is equal to iota log of 1 plus z by 1 minus z, which maps mod z less than 1 conformably onto the vertical strip. Minus pi by 2 less than u less than pi by 2. Here u is bounded but v is not. On the other hand, Riaz theorem guaranteed that f belongs to h power p for all p less than infinity, a fact not easy to verify by direct calculation. Thank you.